In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss statement report in QuickBooks Online. A profit and loss, sometimes called an income statement, shows how much money your business earned and spent over a specific period, and it calculates your net profit or loss. It's one of the most important reports for understanding performance, preparing taxes, and sharing results with stakeholders. Let's walk through it together step by step. Once you're in your QuickBooks Online company, look to the left navigation panel. Click on Reports. This opens the Reporting Center, where everything is grouped for quick access. At the top, make sure you're on the Standard Reports tab. This tab is where QuickBooks keeps its ready-to-use built-in reports. It's designed for quick, reliable snapshots without any setup. From here, find and select Profit and Loss. As soon as you click it, QuickBooks will run the report for you. Give it a moment to load, especially if your file has a lot of transactions. When it opens, you'll see sections for your income, cost of goods sold if you track it, expenses, and at the bottom, your net income or loss for the chosen period. Now, focus on the top left of the report. This is where you customize the date range. Choose the period you want to review, like this month, last month, this quarter, or this fiscal year. You can also set a custom date range if you're reviewing a specific project timeline or comparing mid-month results. Picking the right dates is crucial because it ensures your totals reflect exactly the period you want to analyze. If you're reviewing trends, try switching between months or quarters to see how your results change over time. As you review the numbers, keep an eye on totals and any unexpected spikes. The income section shows what you brought in, expenses show what went out, and the net income line at the bottom is your bottom line for that period. If something looks off, the report layout makes it easy to spot categories that might need attention. When you've got the report set the way you like it, head to the top right and click Save. This saves your settings so you can revisit the same layout and date preferences later without setting them up again. It's a simple way to keep your reporting consistent and efficient. That's all there is to it. You've just run a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online, adjusted the date range, and saved it for easy access next time.